Okay, let's see what this does. Reset. Right, not sure if you can see there, but there is evidence of moisture in this machine. That's why I've had it up by the radiator. So I've taken the iMac apart a little bit, got the power supply out, got the hard drive out, and clean. I'm basically giving it a bit of a dry through with a hairdryer, making sure everything's connecting up okay. And I've established that there is indeed power connectivity to the mains input to here. Sometimes things don't start up because there's moisture. If it's built well, it'll not power up until it's dried out. Right, so this hard drive seems to work because I've connected it as an external drive to my main computer in the other room. It plays files, you know, like music that the previous owner had. This I've dried out, used the hairdryer on it. This is the power supply board. Okay, moment of truth. Something's happening. Oh my god, oh, it's some weird shit with the graphics at the minute, but it's trying to do something. So this is booting up in safe mode, but look, the graphics are all messed up here. It's booting into guest user. So do about this Mac. There we go. We've got an ATI Radeon HD 4670 256 meg of RAM built into the graphics. Take note of that. Okay, and it's the graphics card that's the problem, as we can see. So we're going to start taking this apart so that I can replace the graphics card. This off. Glass panel. Pull that away. There we go. Nice and easy. So now I'm going to remove this screen. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 there and 4 here to take off. I won't film all that. Right, so I've disconnected the cables. That's all done. And lift the screen out. So this I'll put somewhere safe. Taking quite a lot of bits out to free up this motherboard. So it should come out. There's going to be cable connections underneath as well, so you've got to be cautious of that. Under here is where the graphics card is, and that's what I'm replacing. We've got motherboard and graphics card out. Even this almost empty shell, so I'm going to give it a bit of a dust out. So there we go, we've got the motherboard with its graphics card out. There's the graphics card under there. This is the replacement graphics card, which is slightly higher spec than what's in there. So it won't be just a repair, it will be a very slight upgrade as well. So I've undone some screws, and this, believe it or not, just gently lifts out. There you go, there's the old graphics card. I just got to separate that from that and then put this new one in. Old graphics card, replacement graphics card. I've got the thermal compound, and I'm going to be putting that onto here and then put it back into this, screw it down, then it'll go back into there. There we go. So now we're going to put this card in place. It's had the heatsink paste put on. This now sits onto there. Yeah, like that. Just screw it loosely in. There we are, onto that. Gently does. It's in. Make that to the motherboard, so it's up at an angle as it goes in, like so. And that lowers down like so. You got this. There you go. And we've got these. There you go. Obviously this here is for the temperature sensor, I believe. There. That's it. Graphics card now attached. So I'm going to put the motherboard with its new graphics card in. I've got some tape sort of holding some of these wires so they don't get trapped underneath. We've got the board in, starting to put the cables in place, all the ports line up. So now we've got the board and everything back in, just got to put the screen back. Just to recap, this now has a slightly upgraded graphics card in. There's the old one. Everything's connected up bar the screen. Okay, so I've got the screen attached. I've got to just screw it into place. And in a little while we'll try it out for the first time with this replacement graphics card. Moment of truth. Yes! Yes! No stupid lines going down the screen. It's doing what it's supposed to now. Nice. Watermark going down. Result, mate. So this is with the higher spec graphics card. And working graphics card as well. Oh, this is looking promising. Guest user. Yeah, we're in. Yes, what's it? El Capitan. No longer in safe mode. About this Mac. Thinking. Haha! There you go. It was 256 meg graphics. Now 512. Result, Rach. Gone and fixed it. Stay fixed. Please, stay fixed. Oh! What I'm going to do now is I'm installing Mac OS High Sierra 10.13. Fresh install of Mac OS High Sierra going on now. In progress, installation.
No, of course not. Nothing at all.